Hello guys, this is for today's video and I'm walking under the rain right now. Wow. If you are here in Singapore, you can guess what place is this. It's really nice. Yeah. Wow, what a rainy day in Singapore. Yes. Come and join us, Mice Explorer. Then I am here now at Tanglin Mall. Ooh. This is House of Anli. House of Anli there. And Nando's. Yeah, I'm going to cross that road so I can go back home. Oh my gosh. But I'm so lucky today it's not a heavy rain. So I can walk slightly outside like this. Yeah, you look at the sky. Oh, the dark sky. Look at a lot of birds flying and playing. Okay, so here I am. This is Tanglin Mall, guys. Tanglin Mall, yeah. Let's explore the beauty of Singapore. Here. Yeah.